Good morning, all you cool cats and kittens. Welcome to another episode of Science TV with Mr. C. It is April 13th. It has now officially been 1 month since we've seen each other face to face. That's kind of a bummer. Anyway, for today, we're going to click on 7th grade science tab right here. And we'll see I've added a little widget to it showing us the temperature outside. Currently it is 39 degrees. We're expecting a high of 42. And tonight we'll have a low of 30. So use that for whatever you need it for. In class today, I have up a link to Heat folding document, as well as our chatter document here. The Heat folding document, you're going to follow the link. It'll bring you to this assignment here, where you are going to be forced to make a copy of it, and you will submit your completed document to me through the normal submission methods here. It says look at the 6 scenarios below. For each one, identify each as either convection, conduction, or radiation in the spaces provided. So you see we've got kind of like our foldables we've done in class before. Look at this image here, the sun shining down on the earth. Enter your answer here. When you're done, make sure that you share, copy the link, and paste it into the submission form. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you later.